How to turn off memories flashback on Snapchat. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily turn off the memory flashback on Snapchat. So first off, open up your Snapchat app. Once you open up your application, just tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. And once you land on your profile page, you'll find the settings icon at the top right. And if you are on iPhone, if you have an iOS device, you're going to have to find the memory settings. So scroll down until you find memories, and here you'll find the option to turn off the flashback. But if you're using an Android just like me, all you have to do is go to the notification settings, and then you're just going to have to turn off the memory settings right here. So you'll get the occasional notification about your memories. This settings right here means the flashback, so just turn this one off and you should be able to turn off the flashback notifications for Snapchat. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.